So next you're gonna do is log into Facebook and log into Messenger. When you don't have a Messenger account yet, you go to messenger.com and make an account. So once you are logged into Facebook and Messenger, you go to groups and look at groups that are in your niche. So where are your ideal clients? For me, for instance, they're in ClickFunnels. So when you go into a group, and if you are not part of groups yet, you have to go join some. The best groups are groups that have paid customers, but it's good to start somewhere to get familiar with this software. So go into a group, go to members, and when you're logged in to both Facebook and Elmessenger Pro, you will see this Elmessenger group friender come up. So what you are going to do next is select a tag, go to cold lead, and the number of requests. And I suggest you start slow. So for instance, with 10 friend requests today, and the coming days you can ramp it up to, I don't know, sometimes I'm doing 100 or more. That's no problem. But in the beginning you have to start slow, so Facebook is not seeing some irregular activity from your account. And the next thing is to do start, but here is an error message coming. Select the default message for this tag. There are no message for this tag. Please select default message for this tag. What this is saying is there are no default message for this tag, but those are the global segments. And I did put them in here for the hot leads, like first contact, but I didn't do them for cold. So that is what I'm going to show you in the next video to keep this short and crispy.